I noticed there was that one part when we were walking into your master bathroom, which, oh my gosh, your master bathroom I could live in. We walked in, and just like you did in my personal home with the ceiling, talk about that ceiling detail, which again, not hard to do, something that you're not going to do during the construction period, but something that you can do after closing or hire out to do. Talk to me about what you did on the ceiling.
Well, that was kind of a little entry into the master bathroom and has a barrel ceiling. Not that it has to have that. It could just be a plain flat ceiling, but I did a finish on it, kind of a shimmery plaster kind of finish, which definitely gives a different look, kind of dresses it up a little bit, and adds some texture. And I love that. I love mixing textures and finishes, and people are so afraid to mix different colors and finishes, and it just kind of freaks them out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it freaks most people out. And to me, and I preach this to clients all the time, you can mix finishes, you just have to do it right, and you have to be smart about it, and you have to tie things together. You can use a bronze and a gold, or a brushed nickel and a aura bronze, or whatever. You can mix lots of different finishes. Everything in my house is not the same finish, but it doesn't look like, oh gosh, what is this?
Match.
Why is that different? It flows and it works, and everything ties together. So, and really it gives it a little bit more custom look, rather than everything looking exactly the same and looking like you opened a catalog and picked every piece from one collection.
So right now we are in the thick of design. Slabs are being poured, homes are being framed, we're getting to the sheetrock stage. So that means that my clients and customers are steadily meeting with our builders, and they are doing their initial and final design appointments. I know that I sit across from a number of them, and they can't seem to stick to one idea, or they're constantly changing it. Our builders are going to charge change order fees, and it pushes their closing dates back, and there's a lot of domino effects that can happen when they can't stick to what they really want. What is your suggestion for the buyers that are sitting there at that table right now in 2021 planning to build their home?
Well, I know it's your biggest investment, your home is. So,
Yes.
It's definitely something that you want to be sure about, and it's very easily overwhelming. All of the decisions, everything that's happening, it's all starting to come together, and all of a sudden it's becoming real. And sometimes as a house is being trimmed out, or being, things getting done, it kind of freaks people out. And I tell people all the time, just take a deep breath. It'll be all right. It's going to get done. If you move into it and you hate this one light fixture, you can change that one light fixture.
Say that again. Let's say that one more time. Let's say that one more time.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
Say it louder. So
take a deep breath.
Don't get hung up on one fixture.
Right.
Anything can be changed at any point in time.
Right.
It's not worth a change order fee to change it midway through the process. I think if there's one takeaway from this video, one, it could not have come at a more opportune time with us actively designing homes in Whispering Pines. We are so busy, and I appreciate the time that you've given to me today. You're a dear friend of mine, and I could not thank you more. But if there's anything that you can take away, it's that seeking the guidance of an interior designer is always a good idea. Do you agree?
Yeah. It can be a great investment in your home, having someone who knows so much background and resources, and can really help you hone in on exactly what you need and where to spend that money in a smart way. So I think hiring a designer sometimes can help you save money.
Absolutely.
People don't realize that, but it totally can. You're not painting a room 3 different times because you can't decide on what color is right.
Absolutely.
Or buying furniture and you hate it, and I should have gotten some help. So definitely hiring a designer can be a great investment in your home, and totally worth it.
And if it's not something that you can do now in the current budget that you have while you're building, do what you're doing now. Stay within budget. Keep it simple. Live in your space.
And then you can always build on it.
So what's the best contact number for you, Brittany?
So my number is 706-836-7488. I'm on social media. I have a Facebook page, Instagram. I have a website, bwallaceinteriors.com.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Yeah.
I know everybody that is going to be watching this video is going to get some great tricks and tips on what you can do to make your home stand out.